Good morning and welcome to Sheila's Homestead. So this week we are going to rent a 12-foot boxcar truck from Home Depot. And I just want to show you how simple and easy that process was. And I can't believe that I drove a 12-foot boxcar. Can you believe it? Anyway, I know that some of you had seen the video where I rented the flatbed truck, and that was an adventure. But I really needed something bigger than that. The flatbed wasn't going to work, so I thought, let me see if I am confident enough to go and drive this 12-foot boxcar. So come with me, and I'll take you over to, it's on Port St. Lucie Boulevard, and we will see what the situation is. Is this easy or not? See you in a minute. Okay, so first I checked at customer service because in Jensen Beach, that's where they handled the truck rentals when I rented the flatbed. But here in the Port St. Lucie store, they have a separate tool rental section. So they keep the trucks in the back there. But this was so impressive, this tool rental section. I didn't know that this existed. So they have every tool you could possibly need to do a home construction project. So I sort of got sidetracked looking at the tools here. And lots of them I recognize from my husband, John, who's a contractor. But there was lots of things I have no idea what they do. But I was so impressed with this that you could rent all of this stuff. So this is great for somebody who doesn't want to invest in buying any of these tools and just come here and rent them. And the rental section, it's so easy to deal with. So anyway, they keep the trucks outside, right outside this room. And we're going to take a look at that 12-foot boxcar now. So it was really easy to do the paperwork, like tops 5 minutes in paperwork. It's $29 for the first 75 minutes, and there's the boxcar. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to get nervous. It's very intimidating. But here we are. We made it to Duke Circle in Port St. Lucie, which was about 15 minutes away. Made it here in one piece, and it wasn't that hard to drive. Now, of course, I was not brave enough to pull it into the driveway, so I just parked on the street. So I figured this is good enough for today. And this is really simple. They've got this pull-down ramp. They give you a hand truck. The guy was so sweet, he even gave me gloves. And so this really suits our purposes. We have all this leftover stuff from the staging and not enough to call a renter, nor do I want to incur the expense of a moving truck. And we just did it ourselves, so it was great. I hope that was helpful information. If any of you are thinking about renting that boxcar, don't forget, if you have AAA, you get a discount. I think you get a military discount, and college students get a discount. So yeah, that was so easy. This is definitely going to be something that I keep in my back pocket here, that renting a 12-foot truck is not that big a deal, except don't ask me to back up. And also, I had to park really far away from everything and make sure nobody was around me. So we'll have to fine tune that. But anyway, everybody have a great week. See you soon.